Hello everyone and welcome to your 12th Adobe Photoshop tutorial making a selection part 2. In this tutorial we will learn to select objects or regions or area through magic wand tool. So let's dive right into it. To select the magic wand tool you can go over to the toolbar, click on this icon and then click and drag to select magic wand tool. Now this magic wand tool works basically in the concept of color variation. So the color variation means that at the point where you have clicked, it will check how many pixels surrounding that point match the same color. If they match the same color, then all of the area that matches the same color will be selected. The area that does not match will not be selected. And for example, if you have a gradient or you want to select all of the same color, for example here we want to select all of the blue sky. If you want to select all of that, but there is a variation of light blue to darker blue, what you can do is we can increase the tolerance over here and then we can select it easily. The tolerance over here means that in the color range of the point that we have clicked from, how many pixels above and below the selected color should the magic wand tool select. For now we will leave the tolerance at 32 only, and then let's left click on this area. As you can see, according to the tolerance of 32, this did a pretty good job. It selected the color that matched the most to the selected point where I clicked. Let's hit Ctrl plus D to deselect. Let's increase the tolerance to say 40. Now let's try. As you can see, the selection is a little more better. Let's increase the tolerance to 50 now and then let's click, and as you can see it has selected almost all of the sky over here. We can make changes according to the sky as we need, but for now as we see there is a little sky over at the top right that is left. There is a little sky between these flowers that is left and we have to remove it. Obviously we won't be going into every precise detail in this tutorial, but we will just work into the basics for now. So if we want to add that area, as we have learned in the last tutorial, we can click add to selection. Let's decrease the tolerance now back to 32. Left click this area once and it got added. Left click over here in the corner, left click over here in the middle, in here also, and in here also. So I think that's the most of it. Okay, let's remove the sky from this image. As we have already selected all the sky, we can go to edit, cut, or we can just come over here and press delete on our keyboard, and as you can see all of the sky got removed. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect, and then we can make a new layer. We can fill that layer with a gradient by selecting the gradient tool over here, and let's make a gradient. Move that layer below the first layer and we have a nice dark blue sky now. Since we were not so perfect in going through this selection, these areas are not perfectly done, but still it was very quick and worth doing. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.